Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change audio speed of a video on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and the first thing we're going to do is changing the speed of the video. So we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the speed option right here. Tap on the speed option, then you can change the speed of your audio right here. You can go right to increase the speed, and you can go left to decrease the speed. And for example, I'm just going to make it faster. Okay. And after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. And then we're going to extract this video. So we can tap on the volume, and you can click on extract audio. Okay. And now the audio has been faster. Then we're going to change the speed of the video. I'm going to make it back to normal. So we can click on the speed option. Then I'm going to make it normal. Okay, then click on the check mark button. And I'm going to show you the result. Okay. The speed of the audio has been changed. Meanwhile, the video is in the normal speed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change audio speed of video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.